I have multiple layers, so I had to fill them in. I still have one more piece to do, so that's what you're gonna see me finishing up, getting all that welded in so that I can put that piece in here, fill this hole here, and then figure out how I'm gonna mount the battery. I may build some sort of bracing between here. I'm not sure that it's necessary, and once I put the battery here, it is going to be tight to get anything in an X shape here, so that's something I'm gonna figure out in the future. I'm not really too worried about it. And yeah, so let's get into it. So here's the finished product. The front side is the frame. The rear is still like a 22 gauge skin that I've welded them together just to add a little more structure. More for my own peace of mind. I really don't know that it matters. So after this, I'll be working into probably sandblasting the rest of these little sections around the body. Whatever I can find. I have a hole to fill over there, and then I'll get to the battery tray and filling in this wheel well hole. That's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, share to your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.